So I'm going to replace the headlight bulbs on this Mk2 Focus. This is a 2010 facelift, but I think it's the same as the other Mk2 Focuses. So it's an H7 for the dip beam. So the dip's gone on one of mine, but I don't know what the other bulb is, so I'm going to replace both. These Osram night breakers are supposed to be quite good, so we'll give it a go. So to replace the bulbs on the headlights is really easy. You've got to take the headlight thing out. So this is Torx T30. It's on there somewhere. Anyway, there you go. So T30 Torx, just one there. There's a plastic clip down there. You have to just sort of push it, and you'll hear a click. There's another one here. You can see it a bit better. This you just push it down. Oops. Until it clicks, so it's released. And there's another one sort of down there, and then you just literally pull the headlight unit out. Just gently pull it out, because obviously there's the wires, the connector still attached. So I've just sort of lifted it up an angle. You can see the connector there. Don't need to pull those out. But so we've got these two rubber covers. Pull those off. So this one is the dip beam, which on mine has gone. So you can see H7. Looks like these have been replaced. These are H1s. So I'm just going to pull these out. There's a little clip here. You just pull that in, squeeze. And there's the bulb. You can see the key there is at the top, and you can see where it goes into there. So just replace those out. Put them back in, push the connector back on top, and that's that. It's the new one. Got the key at the top. Just place that in there. You can see it. So it's square on. And then just put the connector back over the top. Okay. Perfect. Back on. I'm only doing the H7, and then when you push it back in, just line it back in, and just careful not to pull it too hard on the wire connectors. So to get it back in, the bottom there, you want to get the headlight on the inside of that bit there, and then you can see it sort of just sticking out a bit, so it's all nice and lined up, and then you just push it back. Just there we go. You're a click. We're all back in. So I just put the Torx back in. So there we go. Just do exactly the same for the other side, and check the text at the bottom of the video, and I'll let you know if they seem any different to the standard bulbs or not.